Mark Carr. You know what it is, man. Follow me on Twitter. At Mark Carr, aka 3G. Anti-them. Thatpiff.com. 36K downloads, man. Let me go ahead and do this hot 16. Yeah. Mark Hall is the definition of vicious. Been menacing since an infant. One final one is prolific. With pen game, he's efficient, he's authentic. Never claimed to be nothing he isn't. On top of that, I'm consistent. It sucks for my competition. As far as women, they like me. They come to my room and they clothes fall off, like the boy bands from the late 90s. And if she do reject me, which typically ain't likely, there's plenty more fish in the sea. Hey Pisces, it don't take a palm reader and see my past darker than Tyrese, but my future look real August Alsina. I'm a southern rapper with a flow to sound Easter. From the school of hard knocks where the OGs was the teacher. Now let's get it clear, I'm grinding so hard for on God, I'll probably be a millionaire within a year. You know somebody searching for the truth, then send them here. My lyrics so fierce, they put fear in the engineers. I'm gone.